Given that Blizzard's Overwatch is an online multiplayer game, it makes sense that the developer is always looking to keep things fresh and exciting, such as by adding new maps, modes, and heroes to the game. According to the game's director Jeff Kaplan, he confirmed during Line's Expert Mode show via Steviver that there is a new hero in the works. Unfortunately, details about this particular hero, referred to as Hero 26 for now, is pretty much non-existent at this point, and also according to Kaplan, it will be a while before we even see it released. Hero 26 is very playable and very fun internally, and that's all I'll say. It's not coming out as soon as you think, but Hero 26 is already amazing. I don't think there's such a thing as too many heroes, but I think we also need to come out with heroes at a good pace. The last hero that Blizzard released for the game came in the form of Doomfist. However, shortly after the character's release, there were rumors and a leak about the game's next hero, who is said to be a hero named Siren, and is member of Blackwatch and a student of Reaper. We cannot confirm if the previous leak and rumor is true, so take it with a grain of salt, but we guess at the very least players can take some comfort in the confirmation that Blizzard already has a new character being developed. Filed in Gaming. Read more about Blizzard and Overwatch